Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about the top 3 Fidelity ETFs to buy right now. Now, there is so much volatility in the market. It's always smart to, one, start buying when the general stock market's selling off, and that's kind of what we've seen. So all of these ETFs have a pretty good discount right now. So starting off with the very first one here is ticker symbol ONEQ. Now, this one here has an absolute beautiful upward trend, which is one of the most important things you really need to look at when you invest, right? The trend is your friend, and that's kind of what we've seen. It hit highs up here at about $62 and started selling off all the way down to as low as about $43, which is almost a $20 per share sell-off. Right now, it's trading for about $47. Looking at it, you guys get a dividend of about 7 cents a quarter, which is fantastic. On top of that, right, the dividends will change. This one here was about 10 cents. This one here, about 8 cents. So the beauty of this is you guys get great growth, and on top of that, you guys get dividends to start compounding your account. Now, this ETF focuses on pretty much the top 1,000 stocks. So you'll have companies like Apple, Amazon, Microsoft, and other fantastic companies. This one here I would highly recommend just because we had that growth. It's very, very hard to pick and choose individual stocks. So when you invest in this, you're getting pretty much just a well-rounded, market, which is fantastic. Now moving on to stock number 2. Stock number 2 is ticker symbol FTEC. Now this one here is a fantastic one. This is a Fidelity Tech ETF. Now this one here covers a whole bunch of technology companies from, large massive companies like Apple or Nvidia, and it also has smaller tech that really focuses on the blockchain like Riot. Now looking at it here, you guys will see it has great growth. Lows here at about $58, highs all the way up here at about $137 a share. Now just with the general market selling off, it sold off all the way down to as low under $100, all the way down to about $96, which is crazy low for this thing. We did get a little bit of some buying pressure just from the general market, but overall this one here, you guys will get a dividend. This one's 20 cents, this one's 25 cents, this one here's 19 cents. So this is a fantastic one because if you believe in technology like myself, I think we are just getting started with technology. And a lot of people like to say, Carter, no, we're not. Well, the question I have is, do you think we're getting more dependent or less dependent? I think we're getting more and more dependent on technology each and every day. It's integrated in virtually everything, right? We have phones, computers, it's even in our cars, we have autonomous driving. We have so much technology out there. Just the overall rise of the metaverse and blockchain and cryptocurrency, I think we are just getting started. We're just scratching the surface. So for this one, you're going to be getting fantastic growth. And on top of that, you're going to be getting those amazing dividends where you guys can have some passive income. On top of that, the growth on this thing is going to be outperforming the market, which is beautiful, right? Lows at 58, highs all the way up here at about $150 or $137. So you're doubling, almost tripling your account when you invest in this thing. One that I would highly recommend here. Now the next one here is ticker symbol FREL. Now this one here is a real estate ETF. So we all know the overall rise of real estate, especially over the past couple of years. But personally, I find it very, very convenient that you can invest in real estate but not have to put up thousands, hundreds of thousands of dollars to invest in real estate. With this, you can invest $30. You have that beautiful upward trend, a little volatility, right? Just because of that general market selling off. Right in here is that 2020 crash. But the beauty of this is the dividends, 25 cents per quarter. And that doesn't sound like much, but when the stock's only $29 a share, you can really load up on share size. And on top of that, do you think we need more houses or less houses? I think we need more and more houses each and every day, right? We saw the huge supply issues over the past couple of years where they pretty much any house they built was immediately sold. So with that being said, I think that this is a great one here to at least keep an eye on, given that we had some sell off from about $33 to about $29. Good price to buy it. And on top of that, guys, this is one that's not going to fluctuate as much. Yeah, we had that major sell off, but that was only about $4 per share, which is not much. This one here, I would highly recommend, guys. But these are the top 3 Fidelity ETFs that I am buying. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe. If you have any questions, ask them down below. But we will see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe out there. We will see you guys later.